Hello everyone, I hope you are very well and ready for our next lesson. Today we will learn new educational game, and this game is Domino. In order to organize this activity, you should prepare such worksheet where you have a picture and definition next to it. But pay attention, the definition is not in the same place with the pictures, they are in different flashcards. And in order to organize this activity, you should cut this worksheet into several parts, and you will have 6 flashcards. This is the ready version. Pay attention, your pupils will see a picture and definition, but it's definition of another picture. And pay attention, your pupils should find definition to this picture, and also they should find the picture of this word, and they should put in order. This picture and definition should come in sequence. Now let's practice it together. As you see here, we have several cards, and the task is that your pupils should put in order all these words and pictures. Let's do it together. The first word is book, and let's find the picture of book. It's here. Then we should find the picture of tree. Here you are. The next word is fan. Let's find the picture of fan. It's here. The next one is bike. And the last word is dog. Now you can see the result. Here we have the word book and the picture of book. Then we have the word tree, the picture of tree. Then fan, the picture of fan. Bike, bike. Dog, apple. As you see, everything comes in sequence, and the picture is appropriate with definition. Dear teacher, did you like this activity? I hope you like it. And I want to add that this activity is appropriate for young learners. And I just show one skeleton of the game. You can modify it according to the topic of your book. You can change the pictures and word list next to it. Make it appropriate for your own lessons. As one of my American teacher trainers said, you are the queen of your lesson, and you can modify wherever you want and whenever you want. I hope you have a brilliant lesson. Thank you for attention. Goodbye.